Another two blunderations against number 2 here with FIDE World Team Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship here with day 1 with round number 2 with also without between with beautiful pretty international master Serbia Teodora Incha with the faces by battle number 2 Grandmaster Zhushiner. So what do you think about these two blunderations here? So before resides by number 2. So let's see how this one will play chess here. White pieces against with team international tradings with beautiful pretty international master in Serbia Teodora Inchak and versus by with endgames with AI with teams here with number 2 by Grandmaster in China Zhushiner. So in this part of this videos here in this day number 1 in this FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Team Chess and also have the analyze of the standings after round number 2. So before we start, so don't forget by game number 4 by Chess Face to Face Championship 2026 between me versus your son. So tomorrow we'll start against with play chess here. Okay, so white plays Theodora is knight f3, d5 by Zhu, g3, e6, so it means king's Indian attacks here. Bishop g2 by this one by Theodora by next casting king side here, and also knight f6 by Zhu by also endgames AI. Castling kingside by Theodora here with Team International Tradings and also Bishop e7 by Zhu by next upcoming by Castling kingside here and also Pawn d3 Castling kingside by Zhushiner. So it is called by this one with King's Indian attacks Yugoslav variations according by openings by book lines here. And also Pawn a4 to controls by this one by Theodora by next strong a5 here. So this is a positional move here. Knight c6 by this one by Zhushiner here and also knight bd2 controls against with positional against maneuver here and also e5 by number 2 by Zhu by next of this one with pawn to e4 strong and pawn d4 with strong move against that. So this is a two connected pass pawn here and also with Theodora is pawn e4, so it is pawn e4 with controls with attacks the pawns, d6 captured by Zhu, d6 captured by Theodora, and also queen d6 controls against very strong move here without upcoming by this one. So this is a queen. So queen d6 by next of bishop. So bishop to g4 against with new of this one continues. So this is the queen's and behind the bishop here. So it is called by dark square diagonals here. And also with b3 here with controls against that with Theodora by next of bishop to a3 by next of bishop to b2. So this is a controls here or maybe by bishop a3. Bishop a3 and bishop b2 is a next move here. And also bishop e6 by this one by Zhushiner here with controls here by next of this one by plannings with rook to a c8 or maybe by rook e8 or maybe by this one by rook f e8. So this is a next of this one with controls by a rank here. Bishop b2, so this is a novelty by Theodora. So this is a book lines disappearance. So this is the old main lines here by bishop a3 is a old main lines here. So bishop a3 here. Without bishop to b2 new move with Theodora here. And also queen c5 with move controls against with Zhushiner here. And also pawn a5 with strong move. So this is a bad move by Theodora. So the best move this one is c3 is a best move here. So this is a according this one. So this is a good scores advantage for whites here. Okay, so back there this one is pawn a5 with also with Theodora here with strong move and also rook f8 with controls against with rook e5 here with queens against that with queens with Zhushiner here. Queen c1 against with move side here to left side two moves by queens against with Theodora to also by diagonals with dark square here. Without defense by this one with pawns here against with more of this one with positional move. And also pawn b5 with move controls against with Zhushiner with pawn b5 to provide by this one with pawns here. And also knight g5 strong move against with Theodora By next up this one with threatening the bishop here to controls here. So this is a part of this one with strong move. So with that explained, for example here, sir, why don't we emphasize captured? If you emphasize captured here by a takes captured b6 and also captured with openings by challenge by rook to rook here. So if you rook captured accepted here and also rook captured. So this is a good slightly advantage here. For example here. So back there, this one with move controls against Theodora is knight g5 with threatening the bishop here. And with that backwards by number 2 Jugener, bishop c8 with the teams of endgame AI. Go back by Theodora against team international tradings with knight gf3 here. By go backs with knights here with maneuvers. Pawn a6 by Jugener here. And also bishop a8, a good move against that with Theodora by the idea to threaten the queens here, two queens against with also behind the bishop here. Don't controls by this one with diagonals by dark square here. b4 by this one by push with Jugener with threatening the bishop and go backs by Theodora and also bishop to e6 with light square against that. So this is a provides by bishop pairs here. So controls by this one with bishop pairs. Knight g5, so this is a second times here by Theodora with idea another threatening the bishop and also bishop g4 with Jugener. So with idea to provide this one to controls here and also with go backs knight gf3 by Theodora here, knight d7. Okay, so with that knight d7 here, so this is a provides here with idea to what's the plans, or maybe here by go backs here with go backs here with knight to b8, I mean knight to b8 here. So with that go backs here by maneuver knight c4 by this one to controls against that with Theodora, bishop go backs e6 here. So with the idea to threaten the knights, knight e3, so provides here with the idea to move by this one with knight pairs here, knight captured here and also knight to d5 here. So with that knight e5, so with that explain here, nothing special here, so it means knight d5, so no more examples here. So knight d5 here by Theodora, bishop d6 good move against with Jugener here and also knight g5 with that idea another third time so threatening the bishop here and also knight c6 with go back against with number 2 Jugener here, knight captured with bishop, pawn captured. Why pawn captured? With a pawn captured, so this is a weak by Agnes pawn structure here and also knight e3 to provide here by this one to ignorance here with idea to next of maneuvers knight to c4 with threatening the bishop. So this is a next move here and also knight to d4 strong move against with number 2 Jugener here. So this is a connected by this one with knights here, bishop captured by Theodora, captured the idea to threaten the knights and knight c4 good move with idea to threatening the targets that going out the bishop here and also pawn to e5 with Jugener here and also rook a5 with a good move here with an idea to rooks with threatening the queens here to provide here by attacks the disturbance here, queen backwards a7. So this is a bad move by number 2, so does not like of this computer engine here. So the best move this one, go back here with backwards queen c6 is a good move here. So this is a good for slightly better for black. So according this one, so this is a backwards against that with queens here. So with a go back by queen a7 here by number 2 Jugener here and also queen g5. What a strong move here. So with a good move with a strong move. So with I explain here, so why don't we knight captured? You can knight captured d6 and also captured. So this is a good for examples here to provide here. So this is a connected by this one with ones of this computer. So with that back there, this one is strong by queen g5 against with Theodora. So very strong move here. So this is a goods for with Perfect shot by this one by Theodora. Rook e8 by number 2 Schuschner with defense by pawns. H4 by this one by Theodora. And also knight c5 with controls here. So without movement by this one, so this is a good score once of this computer. So positional move against with maneuvers with Schuschner here. And also h5. What the plans? With next of h6 here. So without h6. So h6 here without idea threatening the pawn. So provides here. So this is a strong move against with Theodora. h6, so no more by this one with h6. So this is a connected by pawns with idea to threatening the queens here. And Theodora is queen backwards g4 here. And also push d3. So this is a bad move by Schuschner. So does not like this movement by strong pawn d3. So the one's computer, this one is rook a d8 is a rook pairs here. So this is a good score advantage for blacks here. So this is a good move here. So d3, so another bad move by number 2 Schuschner here. So this is a goods and not goods here by it is not correct move against with push here. Knight to e3 by this one by Theodora. By next maneuvers knight to f5 threatening the bishop here. So with idea to next up this one with queens with threatening by mating net with check here because this is a move by this one with correct move against positional move. And also bishop backwards e7. So this is a blunderacious by this one with number 2 by Schuschner. So first time by blunderacious. So the best move is backwards bishop f8 defense by this one with pawn. So no more by knight to f5 because the bishop backwards here. So this is a good score advantage for blacks here. So that factor is bishop e7 by number 2 Schuschner. Captured. What the miss by this one by Theodora. So the miss move this one is knight to f5 with idea to threatening the bishop without upcoming with queens with threatening by mating net here. So it means if you move by this one with backwards by bishop to g5 here. So this is a blocking against that. So queen cannot move here. So without controls against that. If you see takes captured by d3 here and also king h8. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So once of this computer engine here. Without miss by captured by this one by Theodora here. And also bishop to g5 by Schuschner with idea to going out by knight threatening attacks here. And also knight d5. So this is a next bad move by Theodora. So does not like of this computer engine. So the one's computer is knight f5 again. What happened? So knight f5 is a second times by missing the best move here. So back there is knight d5 by Theodora. Knight captured pawn. So free pawns here with idea to knights threatening the free going out the attacks, the tempos attacks the rooks. Rook a2, good move against with Theodora here. And also c6, so Zhu threatening the knights. Knight captured free pawns here with defense by pawns. Queen c5 with queens with threatening the targets the knights here. So this is a provides with the threatening the knights. Knight captured. Oh, with the idea to knights threats the queens here. With knights threats the queens and movement by knight to c7. Double attacks the rook. So double. So very double attacks here. Queen backwards d6. So no more by this one with knight to c7 to movement by queens to defense to keep out by this one by moving maneuvers here. And also queen backwards d1 by Theodora by threatening the disturbance the knights and with idea to check. So controls by this one we check here. And also knight c1. So this is a third bad move. Another bad move by number 2 Schuschner. So does not like of this computer. So the correct move is knight e2 here. Correct move is a good move here. So this is a good score advantage for black. So almost by the 13 seconds by Theodora Inchak and almost by 59 seconds by number 2 Schuschner. Almost dying seconds. So the factor is knight c1 by Schuschner attacks the rooks. Rook a1 with Theodora here. Knight captured another blunderacious by number 2 Schuschner below evaluation bar. What happened of this one with grades here? Without grades by lowest evaluation bar. The best, the correct, once this computer is perfect is C5. What a miss by number 2. So this is a correct perfect shot here. So we have knight captured another blunderacious with number 2 Schuschner with the idea by next of puzzle. What do you think about the perfect excelente with beautiful pretty international master Theodora Serbia? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Queen b3 check excelente by Theodora Inchak here. With a check here. And also King h8 by number 2 Schuschner. And another excelente is Rook fd1. Another perfect shot by excelente by Theodora. With queens against with queens here with threatening the knight. So targets against that. And also Rook et8 exposes to provides by this one to more of this one with rook defense the queens here. And another is bishop f1, another excelente. So without excelente by this one by Theodora. And also knight c5 by number 2 idea threatening the queens and knights threats the knights to move by this one with maneuvers to going out with knight c5 with rooks openings with threatening the queens. So threats the queens here with pins against with targets with more with creating by controls by rook d files here. And also with queen c2 against that. So movement by backwards by Theodora. So another explain for example here. If you knight captured here, why don't we knight takes c5 here? So we have controls here and also queen captured knights here. So look at this one. This is a double challenge by rook to rook. So double challenge by rook to rook. It is called by two doubles challenge rook to rook here. So first, if you rook captured accepted here and also rook captured. So without opposite color bishop, so slightly opposite color. So this is a good score. Advantage for once of this computer. So another second, if you rook captured here, so rook takes d8 check, rook captured. So it means so rook captured d8, so it means so opposite color bishop, so another here with also rook to rook and queen to queen. So this is a good score once of this computer example here. So without queen c2 against with backwards by Theodora defense of pawns here, and also queen f8 good provides here. So this is a controls against with positional. Without there's something my battery, and also with also excellent is queen captured c5 with challenge by queen to queen here and avoided by Schuschner number 2 by queen f3. So it means, so why don't we capture creating by creating with queen takes accepted, it is okay. So the queen captured and also knight captured. So knight takes c5, if you rook captured here, wait, if you rook captured, rook captured. So this is a good score examples. So without queen f3 here avoided by this one by number 2 Schuschner, rook captured accepted, rook captured, queen a3 challenged by queen to queen, another avoided by number 2 Schuschner. So if you queen captured, why don't we queen captured accepted? If you queen captured accepted, rook captured here. So it means so this is a good score examples. So with a queen captured h5, another with avoided by number 2 Schuschner here, and also with bishop g2 here by controls by number 2 Schuschner, I mean Theodora, sorry. So I'm sorry, I got wrong name. So it means, so white's with Theodora in check. So bishop g2 by Theodora, and also rook d2 by number 2 Schuschner. So with that idea to next up queen to e2 with threatening the pawns with check here. So this is a next move by this one with check targets here. And also queen f3 with challenge by queen to queen, and another avoided by this one with Zhu with queen g6, and knight c5 by Theodora, defense by pawns, king h7 by Ruzhiner, bishop h3 by Theodora, and also queen e8, rook a7. Okay, rook a7. What the plans? I don't know what's the plans here. So, or maybe I don't know what's the movement, or maybe by queen to f5 with check. So next by this one we check here. King h8. So no more by queen f5 check. So with a no more check here, or maybe backwards here by kings by idea to Schuschner. Rook f7 to create by this one by Theodora here. Bishop e7 by Zhu, and also knight e6 with the idea to rook captured pawns here, or maybe knight captured here. So this is a strong move against with beautiful pretty by Theodora. Rook d6 by this one by Zhu, knight captured with Theodora with check here, and also pawn to c5 here, and also with a finishing move that the empty shot, so no more queens, is knight captured queen. So cannot do it, so it means so resigns by number 2 by Schuschner. So what happened? So no more by queens here. So almost by this one by defeated by this one by number 2 Schuschner. So without winner by team international tradings by team by international master Serbia Theodora Inchak here. Okay, so the next of day 1 with round number 3 between with Team China Grandmaster. So it means Dragon Chilling is also Juan Jun, and I don't know what's that team. So with the International Master Lu Miaoyi, aka Meow Meow. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.